Picture this. A fund run by Wall Street pros just bought a stack of the graph. At the same time, the Graph's team rolled out a new tool called Hypergraph and linked up with TRON for live data streams. All this while GRT still trades for less than 10 cents. Tonight, we break down what these moves mean, why the chart finally looks ready, and how you can ride the wave without betting the farm. No fluff, just clear steps you can use right now. On July 3rd, Grayscale's decentralized AI fund closed the day holding 5 coins. Tau, Near, Render, Filecoin, and GRT at 8.7%. Grayscale screens tokens by size, trading volume, and story. Landing on that list is not luck. Notice the coins that didn't make it. No meme AI plays, no fringe projects. Grayscale's pick whispers to big investors, watch the graph. When these funds rebalance, they have to keep buying. That steady demand can push price without warning. Space and Time just joined Grayscale's utilities and services basket, lined up with Chainlink, Filecoin, and again the graph. 2 different funds, 2 different teams, one clear theme. Data tools run the show. Chainlink feeds prices, Filecoin stores files, space, and time shapes tables, and GRT links it all. Index funds work like quiet motors. Fresh cash flows in, the fund buys more, and prices nudge up over time. That gives patient buyers a tailwind. Subgraphs, substreams, token API, fancy words, but here's the point. Devs can pull blockchain data in minutes instead of days. They don't need to spin up heavy servers or keep a huge database. Every time someone runs a query, a tiny bit of GRT gets burned. Less supply, same or more demand, that's basic economics. The tech has been good, but the new upgrades make it faster and cheaper. Better tools pull more devs. More devs mean more apps. More apps create more GRT burns. That flywheel is real. Hypergraph is like a supercharged Google Docs for data. It lets you keep your files on your own device, sync changes fast, and still share safely. It supports GRC20 tokens and local first sync, so apps feel quick like Web 2, but stay under your control. The tagline: unify private, shared, and public data. Devs can mix personal info, shared team data, and public blockchain data in one place. Huge time saver. When building gets easy, adoption climbs fast. TRON blockchain handles tons of USDT transfers every day. By plugging into the graph's substreams, TRON devs get live filtered data without hosting heavy nodes. Faster dashboard, quicker trading bots, smoother analytics. Each data call still uses GRT. Higher traffic means higher burns. TRON's user base is big, so even a small slice moving over boosts GRT demand. Switching to our 3-day chart. 2 falling channels pin price down for months. Today, we are finally consolidating above the broken top line. The super trend indicator flipped green on May 10th and stayed green. The big volume bars on the left. The VRVP shows most trades are happening between 7 to 10 cents. That's an area buyers defended well so far. Fibonacci RSI indicator just turned up from oversold. Momentum is flipping. Breakouts plus good news often kick off moves. A close above the channel for a few candles can wake up algos and big traders. So here's how I keep my emotions in check while the chart tries to moon. The moment price taps 17 cents, I peel off roughly 15% of the position. Just enough to pay myself and cover any slips. If we keep climbing to 24 cents, I let another 20% go and slide my stop up to my entry. Now I'm playing with house money. 35 cents is where greed usually kicks in. So I pre-commit to skim a quarter of what's left, thank the market, and breathe. Should momentum push through 52 cents, I lighten the load by another 30%, locking in serious gains while still leaving skin in the game. Finally, if we print 80 cents, I cash the last 10% or let it ride, depending on sentiment. Each rung lines up with a key Fibonacci level, so the targets aren't random dots. They're places traders already watch. My hard stop stays under 6.5 cents on a weekly close, but after every target, I ratchet that stop higher, parking it under fresh support. The beauty of this ladder is that if price never even reaches the first rung, I lose just 1 unit, yet if we hit them all, the compounded reward can top 6 to 1. It's math doing the heavy lifting, not my mood. Now, all that sounds neat, but let's talk potholes before we speed off. Hypergraph is still in early preview, which means bugs, shipping delays, or features that don't land as smoothly as the demo reel promises. TRON, for its part, keeps popping up in US regulatory chatter. A nasty headline could spook the crowd and stall query growth. Macro can also punch us in the face. A hot inflation print or a sudden Bitcoin dump can drag every midcap down, no matter how strong the story. Then there's competition. A faster, cheaper indexing tool might arrive and lure developers away, though migrating live data stacks is a nightmare most teams avoid. Finally, remember GRT still inflates, albeit at a slowing rate. I offset that by staking whatever tokens I'm not actively trading to collect rewards that soften the dilution. Put all of this together, and you see why that red line stop matters. Capital preservation first, profit hunting second. Knowledge is free here. Profits are up to you. While we wait for GRT to pop, your USDT can work overtime. MEXC, the exchange trusted by 10 million users, offers a 2-day 600% APR on up to 300 USDT. That's about $10 in 2 days risk light. Drop 100 USDT, and you also snag fee vouchers, futures credits, and even a small Bitcoin futures position. Trade that same 100 once, unlock more rewards, and enjoy fees up to 20% lower. QR codes on screen, and my referral link is pinned in the top comment below. Grab the perks, then tell me in the comments how it went. Punch the like button, smash subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a chart like this. When this video ends, check out my last 2 deep dives on GRT. They build right on today's story. See you tomorrow, and let's grow together.